Legal dictation. Exercise 74. Start. In reply, learned standing counsel appearing for the state respondents has submitted that the creation of post is within a sole domain of the state government and it is purely executive function of the state government, which can be exercised keeping in view the necessity and requirement of the post with a view to ensure proper and smooth administration and functioning of the state government. Full stop. It has been urged that the creation of post of Deputy Director (Technical) does not come in the way of functioning of incumbent of the post of Deputy Director, Engineering or Monitoring cell occupied by the petitioner as the respondent number 1 had been promoted on the newly created post of the Deputy Director (Technical), which does not have any concern with the work, duties of the post of Deputy Director Engineering Cell. Full stop. He has urged that this court has not restrained the answering respondent from creation of any such post. Full stop. He has further urged that since there was only one engineer available in the feeding grade for promotion to the post of Deputy Director (Technical), that is the fourth respondent, therefore, he was considered and promoted. Full stop. He has further urged that keeping in view the serious financial irregularity committed by the petitioner, a disciplinary proceeding had been initiated against the petitioner and he was placed under the suspension, however, this court had interfered with the order of suspension and stayed it. Full stop. In compliance of the order passed by this court, he has been reinstated in service. Full stop. The disciplinary proceeding is still pending against him. Full stop. It has further been submitted that the post of medical officer was abolished and it has placed a new post of Deputy Director (Technical) was created, however, since to the said post only the person of engineering service could be promoted, it was the fourth respondent, who was eligible for promotion and has been promoted in which no illegality has been done. Full stop. Para. Mr. Misra, learned counsel for the petitioner controverting the submissions of learned standing counsel has submitted that the post of Deputy Director (Technical) is a higher post of medical officer and has submitted that on abolition of the post of medical officer, the post of same status could be created in another feeding grade but the post of Deputy Director, which is a post of higher pay scale, could not be created as it is a post of promotion also unless the rules are amended. Full stop. Since Rule 5 provides only 3 feeding crates as a source of recruitment to the post of deputy director in proportionate manner, the proportion of source neither could be increased or decreased without amending the rules, and if there was necessity to increase the post of engineers, the state government could increase it by abolishing the post of medical officer, but the purpose of promotion to the higher post, no engineer could be considered beyond ratio provided under the rules, he, with full belief, has submitted that till date rules 4 and 5 of the rules, 2004 have not been amended. Full stop. Para. Insofar as the initiate initiation of a departmental proceeding against the petitioner is concerned, he submitted that it was initiated on a complaint allegedly made by one former member of parliament, Srimati Susila Saroj, who after coming to know about the said fake complaint, wrote a letter to the principal secretary on 29/1/2016 and explained that she had never made any such complaint. Full stop. She had also requested to get investigated the matter and further to take strict and stringent against action the person, who is found guilty to make such a fake complaint. Full stop. The fourth respondent had come forward to file counter affidavit and has made his best efforts to justify his promotion to the post of deputy director technical, starting therein that since the post of medical officer grade was abolished and it was restricted by creating a post of deputy director technical, there were two posts of deputy director from engineering services for the reason that after abolition of medical officer grade, there was no occasion to keep alive the post of deputy director from medical services. Full stop.